Hey y'all, so I just got the shower. As you can see, my hair is wet because I'm gonna do it. But y'all, so today is Black Friday, right? And I did not know today was Black Friday and your girl already spent her money. So I'm just like, damn, I could have waited till Black Friday, but it's whatever. But yeah, my mom's planning on going, so I'm probably gonna vlog that, like going to Black Friday shopping. But I mean, it's probably nothing spectacular, like nothing fun, because a whole bunch of people gonna be there. So I don't know if I'm recording that, because I don't like people looking at me while I'm recording. So I'm about to get my gel. Hold on. Yeah, I really don't know what I want to do with my hair. Like, I'm always putting it in like slick backs or like a ponytail. I really don't know what I want to do with my hair. That's why I need to get my hair done, because when you have your hair done, you don't really have to do nothing but do your edges. It depends on what you get though. But if you get braids, all you really gotta do is refresh your braids and do your edges. Weave is kind of like, I mean, wigs are kind of like a different story, because you gotta straighten it and like put heat to it or whatever. But yeah, like, sorry, I'm looking for like stuff to put in my hair, but girl, I got me some Eco Styling Gel, and this is the conditioner I use. This smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. So yeah, I'm gonna just do my hair. I don't know what I'm gonna do to it. Whatever I do to it, that's just how it's gonna be. and it was just how it's gonna go. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna speed it up because I don't like talking anymore. So this our part is.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be
So y'all, we're going to Walmart like I said we was going. I'm sitting in the front. I don't know what you're doing.
Ma'am, nah.
Sit in the back.
Girl,
Bro, this bitch is super retarded.
no, I'm not.
Damn, why they got now I'm wide open.
See, what the fuck? There's no lighting. Okay, I'm gonna get back to y'all.
How you gonna let the door out open? Is she coming?
Yeah.
Bruh. But that cat right out here, he gonna stay his ass out here.
Look who's driving. Oh, shit's so blurry. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. So we're going to the mall right now.
Hey, we have the same shoes on.
Yeah, we do.
Look, guys.
Can they see it?
I think cute day, man.
Oh, well, we got Air Forces on, but we're going to the mall today, and we're going out to eat, so yeah. I'm going to get y'all back in a little bit. I don't know what he's doing, but we're finna leave right now, so yeah.
You have to do the video solo and then add it.
Yeah, let's do it.
The TikTok. Yeah, that TikTok was like, none of the guns would please come back.
Call my rats.
Performance. Exactly. Ew, what is that?
Hey y'all. So we're about to go to the mall.
Alright, I'll do you first.
We're finna go to the mall.
Go. Wait. Oh, wait.
You're done. You're done.
What the fuck? Stop stupid. Alright, do me. I gotta get your phone now. Alright, hang on. Let me get me our cup. Hang on.
What are they doing?
I think I got what you found. I think. Okay, let's go.
Shoe cam.
to the vlog. Okay. Say it to the vlog.
Green.
Y'all, we just got our food. Well, not really, but this was like a 5 out of 10. The appetizers, we went through that shit, okay? Yeah, pretty much ate. We're eating good though, so yeah.
You let me cater to you. You let me cater to you. I wanna let you know, girl, that you know that I know what you do. I need to reassure you, my love will be purposeless without you. If I want it, I'm gonna ask you. You lying to me, challenge me for the better of what you let me cater to you. Turn my game, I'll push you again. You let me cater to you. Whatever, I'm not fulfilling.